What's up guys and girls, it's Hami back with another short tutorial. In this one we are going to animate this bottom sheet effect on Figma. For this we have our screen ready and the bottom sheet that I want to appear when this button is clicked. So all I'm going to do is click on the login button, link it with the bottom sheet that I have designed here, click on tap because the user is going to tap that login button to trigger the effect. Now from navigate to, I am going to change it to open overlay. Now when this is done, you're going to make sure that the move in is selected. We don't want the instant effect, we don't want the dissolve effect, we want this bottom sheet to move in from underneath of the screen and place in the middle. So I'm going to select move in. This is going to show exactly how the animation is going to work. We can also add background behind that bottom sheet if you want. I can put a black background with 25% opacity, and yep, this should work. Let's see. Yep, easy peasy. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel because I'm going to make a lot of these videos on how we can handle these effects. And yeah, that's all. Cheers.